Sitting by the fire. What do you think, hon?
What? Camp? Good. It's been nice weather.
I just wanted to take a short little clip. There you go. Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you our tent camping setup. We're been camping for a few days here at Moreau Lake State Campground in Upstate New York. It's off exit 17 I-87. Okay, tent camping. We're just starting to get back into camping, me and Renee. So let's take a look. We've got my tent over here. Fire pit, some wood, and our chairs. And then we have our picnic table, comes with a picnic table, awnings, our water supply, filtered water, regular water. Links for these will be in the description below. Yeah, so then we got a camp kitchen here. We got our, our dish drying towel and our washcloth here, our little wash pan, dishes. Yeah, my wife has this little thing here, coffee cups, regular cups, tin foil, salt, these seasonings, utensils and stuff here, hand sanitizing, pepper oil, got our coffee. All right, got some totes down here. This is where our pots and pans, and this is, some regular stuff, baggies and all that stuff. And then we have our one cooler with all our food in it. Our garbage bag, which we use one of these tablecloth clamps on there. We just tie the garbage bag and just let it sit there. Right? We got our little camp grill. I did a video on that, earlier video on that. Works out good. So link will be in the description below for that. We got our Coleman 2-burner stove. Link will be in the description below on that. And our little coffee pot percolator. Link in the description below too for that. But this is our camp setup. Got our water. Our car's there. We still have food inside our car too. Tent. Nice little site out in the wilderness. Alright, so that's our camp setup. Our tent camping setup. Just simple stuff. I have a couple of power bricks here to charge up my phones and the camera. Other than that, simple. Cooler. Brought our own water, gas grills, and yeah. Been here for a few days. I'll try to do a video about the campground later. Quick little video. Just wanted to show you our little tent camping setup. So if this channel is something that interests you, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with any questions, comments. Like I said, this is our first time going camping in a while. Long time. So we don't have everything. But I think we got the real necessities. If you have any other ideas for tent camping, leave them in the comments. And we'll see you next video. Thanks. Bye.